Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising. So, let's see kung ano energies na inyong love life ngayong August 2026. So, this is a general reading. Pwede kayong makarelate. Pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So, mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comments section. Okay, Aquarius, what's the energy? Love life ng mga Aquarius. What's the love life? Chemistry. There's a strong magnetic connection here. Oh. So, if you're dealing with someone right now, maaring meron kayong kumbaga parang nagigets nyo yung isa't isa. Naiintindihan nyo yung isa't isa. And maaring marami kayong mga pagkakapareho, oo, na nakaka-relate kayo sa isa't isa kasi nga may chemistry. Let's see ano ang inyong overall energy. Maaari ring marami kayong yung bang pagkakapareho, like for example, yung mga gusto nyo sa buhay, ayaw nyo, mga ayaw ninyo, kaya nagkakaintindihan kayo ng partner mo. Okay, this is the overall energy, challenge, opportunity, and then where is this relationship going? Ano yung feelings ng person? And then, another one. Like the message, feelings. Okay. So, overall energy ng relationship is the Ace of Wands. So, meron ditong bago. Pwedeng bago pa lang yung relationship ninyo, hindi pa masyado nagtatagal. Or nandun kayo sa stage na yung bang talking stage, getting to know each other, and you're still excited sa relationship na to. And then your challenge is the Three of Wands. Oh, okay. So the challenge here can be yung distance ninyo sa isa't isa. Pwedeng LDR kayo. Long distance relationship, or di kayo madalas magkita, kaya maaring online lang kayo madalas mag-usap, chat, ganyan. But meron dito na namimiss namimiss niyo isa't isa. Yun yung challenge. Pwedeng foreigner, or merong cultural differences sa inyo, but you understand each other. Now, your opportunity is the Fool. Uy, this is taking a leap of faith. This is taking a risk in the relationship. So, kung bago pa lang to, yung iba sa inyo, magre-risk na kayo sa relationship na to, na sige na, go na. Pwedeng yung isa sa inyo, no, magre-risk sa relationship na to. Let's say, long-distance relationship. So, pupunta siya sa'yo, 'di ba? Oo, yung bang mga nakikita natin sa TikTok, na merong umuwi, galing sa abroad, mga AFAM, ganyan, tapos, sinasalubong ng kanilang mga partners. So, parang ganon. Pwedeng may mag-e-effort sa inyo na puntahan ang isa para kayo ay magkasama na finally, or this can also mean na kumbaga, it doesn't matter naman na kung long distance relationship or not, basta merong somehow distance sa inyong dalawa. Pwedeng, nasa Pilipinas naman kayo pareho, pero magkaiba lang kayo ng lugar, no? So, I think, may mag-e-effort sa inyo na mag-risk sa relationship na to, na, to take that step, kumbaga, na tumaya sa relationship na ito. Okay? And then, where's this relationship going? Ooh, Wheel of Fortune. Oh my God, this is a fated connection. Ibig sabihin nito, parang, itong relationship nyo kasi is, kung saan kayo dalhin. Parang ganun. May parang, pag inisip mo parang, ang tawag doon, careless, no? Pero, I think, ito yung magbibigay ng excitement sa relationship ninyo. Kasi nga, una pa lang, excited kayo, tapos pwedeng yung pwede ring whirlwind romance, or yung parang biglaan, yung yung instant attraction, ganun. So, medyo nagte-take kayo ng risk in this relationship, in this connection. So, ano yung feelings ng person mo? Queen of Wands, oh my God, this person is very passionate towards you. Ito yung tipong gagawin niya, parang ano siya eh, risk taker talaga sa relationship. Mm. Pwedeng ano to, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And then the message is, love is still there deep down our hearts, but we should definitely, ano ba yun, nabubulol ako. We should definitely spend more time together. Di ba? Ano ba yung sinabi ko? Ito rin yun. Love is still deep down there, deep down our hearts. I cannot talk, okay? But we should definitely spend more time together. So, I think this person really wants to, take this relationship on a deeper level. Mm-mm. Gusto niyang mas mag-spend ng time sa'yo. Ay, kinikilig. Okay. So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. See you again.